Hi everyone, myself Dinbandhu and I am back with one new video. I am going to tell you how to become a Java developer in 2026. Okay, so are you confused about where to start? Should you learn Java, Spring Boot, DSA or SQL first? In this video, I will show you exact roadmap to become a Java developer in 2026. Even if you are starting from zero, means from the scratch, I am going to tell you how to become a Java developer. So I have divided into several parts, means I will tell in the step by step manner. So first step, learn programming basic. Don't jump directly into framework or anything. Just you have to know first what is variable, what is data types, loops, how loops work, what is condition, what is functions, what is arrays. Practice simple programs every day, because if you are going to practice, then only you are able to remember the logic, the things for the so many time. Okay, and you will be the master in that programming. After that, step 2, you have to master core Java. Why core Java? Core Java is the fundamental. From there only you are going to start. So you have to learn OOPS. In OOPS, you have to learn classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation. After that, you have to learn exception handling. After that, you have to learn collection framework, multithreading, file handling, and the most important, nowadays they are asking Java 8 features also. In Java 8 feature, you have to learn minimum, streams, lambda, and optional. After that, you have to know about generics. Okay. In step 3, you can start learning SQL, because every backend developer will work with database. Focus on select, insert, update, delete, most important joins, group by, having, index, transaction. Okay, you can use MySQL or Postgres. My suggestion, you use Postgres SQL. Step 4, you have to learn Git and GitHub. You can skip for now also, but if you know the basic, because every company is going to work on these only, where you have to know about repository, how to create repository, what is repository, what is commit, what are the branches, what is branch, what is the use of branch. After that, you have to know how to merge, how to take pull request, and you have to know the basics. Okay, after that, in step 5, what you have to do, you have to start with learning the Spring Boot. Here the Java become powerful. Okay, so you have to study first a Spring Core, then dependency injection, a Spring Boot, REST APIs. After that, a Spring Data JPA, Hibernate, validation, exception handling, a Spring security, JWT authentication. Okay, after learning all these things, you have to start building your project. That is the most important thing, where each and every company is going to ask what are the projects you have done. Okay, so you have to go with like a student management system, library management system, e-commerce backend, banking system, employee management system. So after making all this, you can take help of anything. Okay, but you have to know the logic. Okay, so the logic is most important. After all this thing, you have to host it into the GitHub. In next step, you have to learn deployment your application using Docker, Linux, or anything, AWS cloud platform, anything you can use, but you have to know the basics also. After completing all these things, you have to start with DSA. Okay, you have to practice arrays, strings, linked list. After these, you have to start with trees, graphs, dynamic programming, minimum basic levels of these things. After that, in the next step, all know you have to prepare for the interview. You have to revise all this thing again. You have to practice with mock interview. So these are the minimum things you have to know as a Java developer. If you are a fresher or anything, it doesn't matter. Overall, it will take 6 to 8 months for completing it. So, becoming a Java developer is not about learning everything at once. It's about building one skills after another and applying what you are learn through projects. Stay constant, keep coding, and you will be ready for internships and developer roles. Okay? One last announcement is there. If you want to follow this roadmap in this proper structure, you can join my Java full stack live classes on AlgoVentra, where I am going to teach you each and everything so smoothly and so perfectly. Thanks all. This is all about today's video. If you found this roadmap useful, helpful, like this video, subscribe to AlgoVentra, and comment whatever you want to comment. Thanks. Bye bye.